Hello again, everybody. Now we're going to start working on the belt grinder. Alright, here we have our belt grinder. It's a Central Machinery 6-inch belt and 9-inch disc combination sander. Sorry about that. I had to close up the shop. I was getting bugs coming in. Now it does not look like this go around that they gave me extra hardware like they did on the last project. That means I've got to be careful with my hardware so I don't lose anything, because that would be terrible. And like I said, and they dropped all offer. Oh, come on, get started. Lovely. Super cool. Alright then. I'm glad my other project gave me some extra hardware. Now we're going to have to utilize one of these in place of that. One stand. Okay. Stand is complete. Yep, did all those things. Alright, to assemble the pulley, sanding disc, plate, and table. Yep, stall pulley. So folks, this is another video that I've worked on previously. It's been a few days since I completed this belt sander, but I didn't finish up the video. I didn't turn it on and show you guys how it works. Pretty simple. It all went together well. You turn the switch. So now you've got a flat plane to grind on, and you have the grinding wheel. Here, let's get you a look at that. And the wheel here on the side, and then the wheel here flat. So you can do all kind of cool stuff with this. You can sharpen blades, you can grind metal down to, you know, achieve a certain shape that you're looking for. Really handy device in the shop. Really glad to have one. And I know that, you know, I'm showcasing all of these Harbor Freight tools. And a lot of the Harbor Freight stuff I found to be built fairly well. Some people will say otherwise. But I've had really expensive tools from the name brands to break on me, and I've broken cheap tools. I mean, it kind of depends on what you're using it for and how hard you're pushing. But for its intended purpose, I feel like it's a good buy. We'll see how long it lasts me. Thanks for watching. And remember, like and subscribe. Have a good day.